In this video, we will explore advanced techniques using PHP's cURL library. You'll learn how to make complex HTTP requests with features such as authentication, custom headers, and secure socket layer, or SSL handling. By the end, you'll be equipped to interact with a wide range of web services and APIs securely and efficiently. Let's begin with a fundamental cURL setup in PHP. First, initialize a cURL session using the cURL_init function, which returns a cURL resource. Then set essential options such as the URL to which you want to make the request, using cURL_setup function along with cURL_URL. Also set cURL_NSFER to true. This tells cURL to return the response as a string instead of directly outputting it. Next, execute the cURL session with cURL_exec, storing the result in a variable, such as response. It executes the cURL session and retrieves the content from the URL. Finally, close the cURL session using cURL_close to free up resources. Now let's explore how to send data using a POST request. Start by encoding your data, typically as a JSON string, using the JSON_encode function. Set the cURL_post option to true to specify that it is a POST request. Then, attach the encoded data to the request using cURL_sfelds. Set the content type header to application/JSON and content length header to the length of data. The content type informs the server that the request body contains JSON data. Finally, execute the cURL request. With this, your data is sent as part of the POST request. Custom headers are essential for providing additional information in HTTP requests and responses. On the request side, common headers include authorization, which carries authentication tokens, content type, indicating the format of the request body, user agent, identifying the client application, and accept, specifying the preferred response format. On the response side, you might see headers like content type, again defining the response format, cache control, instructing caching behavior, X-rate limit, indicating API usage limits, and server, revealing the server software used. These headers enable effective communication and control between clients and servers. To configure request headers in cURL, create an array of header strings, each in the format name, value. Include headers like authorization, content type, user agent, and accept as needed. Then, use cURL_setup with the cURL_CIR option to set these headers for your cURL session. Also, you can set cURL_header to true to include header in the output. Authentication is the process of verifying the identity of a user, device, or other entity attempting to access a system or resource. There are different methods for implementing authentication. Two common methods are basic authentication, which involves encoding the username and password in base 64 and sending it in the authorization header, and bearer token authentication, where a JSON web token or an API token is sent in the authorization header, typically used in modern APIs. To implement basic authentication in cURL, first, define the username and password as variables. Then, use cURL_setup with the cURL_userput option, concatenating the username and password with a colon. Additionally, set the cURL_change option to cURLauth_basic. Alternatively, you can manually construct the authorization header by base 64 encoding the username and password, and then including it in the headers array with the prefix basic. Secure socket layer, or SSL configuration, is critical for ensuring secure communication over the Internet. You can enforce SSL certificate verification using cURL_setup with cURL_SSL_verify peer set to true and cURL_SSL_verify host set to 2. You can specify a custom certificate authority bundle using cURL_canfo to validate the server's certificate. You can configure client certificates using cURL_sulcert and cURL_SSLKY to authenticate the client to the server. These settings help to establish a secure and trusted connection. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.